Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see article 1 of UCP600, that is application of UCP, right? The Uniform Customs and Practice for Documentary Credits 2007 revision ICC publication number 600, that is simply UCP600, are rules that apply to any documentary credit, including to the extent to which they may be applicable any standby letter of credit when the text of the credit expressly indicates that it is subject to these rules. They are binding on all parties thereto unless expressly modified or excluded by the credit. Article 1 answers 3 questions. First, when UCP is applicable or how UCP can be applied to any credit. Second one is it possible to issue a standby LC under UCP? And the third one is, what if the issued LC modifies or excludes any of the UCP articles, right? Let's see the answer for the first question. UCP is applicable only if the text of the credit expressly indicates that it is subject to these rules. For example, in this LC, we can see under applicable rules, it is clearly mentioned as UCP latest version, which means all the 39 articles of UCP600 is applicable to this LC, right? The answer for the second question is UCP600 are rules that apply to any documentary credit, including to the extent to which they may be applicable any standby letter of credit, which means yes, we can issue a standby LC under UCP600. Although there is a separate set of rules, that is ISP 98 exclusively for standby LCs, we can also issue a standby LC under UCP600 as well. Hope it is clear. When it comes to the third question, as per UCP, UCP600 rules are binding on all parties thereto unless expressly modified or excluded by the credit, which means the provisions of this rule will be applicable to all the parties as far as it is not modified or excluded by the credit. If the credit modifies or excludes any articles of UCP600, then we must follow the modified parameters, and from that point of time, letter of credit supersedes UCP because credit is always paramount. UCP is just a rule, right? For example, here in presentation period field, it is mentioned as 21 days, and as per article 14C of UCP600, 21 days are available to the beneficiary to make the presentation in default. But if the credit curtails the same to 12 days, then the beneficiary must submit the documents within those 12 days because credit modified article 14C. Hope you understood article 1 of UCP600, right? If you found some value in this video, do subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up. Thanks for watching and have a great time.